I just wanted you to check out my new Dewalt cooler that I picked up from True Value. 11-inch cooler tool bag. It's really awesome. Has this upper compartment all fully insulated and waterproof. And this lower compartment as well, all waterproof. And then a Velcro front closure to hold your tools or whatever you got. A couple of side compartments for your screwdrivers or whatever. And this excellent shoulder strap and hand strap on top. They regularly go for $38. They're on sale for $19.88, and I recommend them highly.